Hello, long time no see. I wanted to do a walkthrough today, give you guys a little bit of a inside tour, as it were. It's a 19 foot, no, it's not 19 foot. It's an Imagine 19RLE. I believe it's 22 feet. I'll have to figure that out. I don't even know how long it is. It's tiny, actually. So anyway, I wanted to bring you along for a walkthrough so you could see what it looked like on the inside. Probably have to back up to get inside. No, I don't want to fall. So this is the campground that we're staying at. It's an RV resort in North Idaho. There's a Momentum right there, a little neighbor. And so this is all it is. I could probably stand here and do the entire thing, couldn't I? I'm trying to see how to turn the camera because you don't want to see. This is the inside of our little Imagine. We have our sink and the cupboards above the sink. We've got a radio, and this has got speakers for outside and inside, so that's kind of fun. It does not have TV outside. We've got a cabinet here. This actually has a lot of storage space for being such a small RV. We've got a microwave here. Then we've got obviously the burners right here and the stove. Lots of drawers here. Under sink storage here. And we've got the fridge, the freezer, which is actually a fairly good size, and it does a really good job keeping things cold. This bed turns into this table turns into a bed. This telescoping table, you push it all the way down, and then we have another mattress thing that goes over that. The only complaint that I would have about this table is it's very tight right here, and even obviously right here. Nobody can get through there. So we find ourselves turning this table a lot to get over to the side over here. There's cabinets here, cabinets there. Then we've got this shelf here, which is becoming a collect-all. It's really kind of hard to organize stuff. Well, I could put it all the way up here, but then I feel like I have to climb over the cushions to get to these cabinets. So obviously if we were traveling, all of this would be put away. And then we have more cabinets up here. And then I've got my pantry, which is very deep back there. Obviously we're camping, we have to have our s'more makings, and we have it down here too. It's very deep, it goes way back in there. So we are currently stationary because I am work camping. I'll fill you in on that in a minute. So then we have on either side of the bed, we have a closet here, and we have another cabinet here with a drawer here, and that's on either side. So there's another drawer, Grand Ginger, our first KYD sticker. I need to get stickers made so we can do the sharing. And then down here on my side, just on this side of the bed, there is a USB port down there. That is the only side. There's an electric outlet there, but no USB. And then we have more drawers here. So like I said, there's a ton of storage. And this bed comes down. It's a Murphy bed. I don't leave it down. I think if I was here alone, I would be fine. Actually, if I was alone, I'd probably sleep on the dining room table bed. It comes, like, I can squeeze by. Dave has a hard time squeezing by. It's pretty narrow when I pull it all the way down. And then it has a TV with some hooks, and then this is the cushion that would go to the bed up at the dining room table. And we have our heater, which I love having heat. Totally glamping. Then we have the bathroom. It's tiny. There's a cabinet here. This cabinet, toilet paper maybe. There's not a whole lot you can put in there because it hits the toilet. And then we have these Cubbies, which again are great, except when we're traveling. So I won't be able to store stuff in there. Another cabinet here. that I keep stuff that I use all the time, like our toothpaste, deodorant, and that kind of thing. That would obviously be put away, and another little shelf there. The shower, so the garbage, see, it's tiny. I keep the garbage in the shower. I think that's probably normal. I think that's normal. And then I have my Swiffer, my broom. There's no tall closet to put these, so they get put there. And then this shower door is kind of different. Oh goodness, I apologize. I didn't know it was going to snap back. It's very thin. You can see that. It's very thin. But they assure us that it won't tear. And it's got a squeegee in here. The directions are here. It squeegees it off to keep it dry and keep it from molding. We do leave it open after we've showered just to let it dry a little bit. Clearly I haven't done that much because it snapped open. Anyway, so yeah, it's very tiny. I don't know, I've heard of people living in it. I don't know if I could personally live in it, but it's great. It got very small the other day when it was raining, and yeah, I didn't love it. It did get very small when it was raining the other day, only because there wasn't a lot of place for me to escape as an introvert and a husband that travels. I love my husband, but it was hard for me to be in this small space with him. Yeah, so it's okay though. We don't live in it. The camper trailer stays at an RV resort in North Idaho all the time because I wanted to show you something really quick too. It does have an antenna, an antenna that you can adjust for the television, so you get local stations wherever you are, which has been kind of nice, like I said, on that rainy day. And then it does have an AC unit. That's manual, so you can turn it on, but you have to turn it off. It doesn't like automatically turn off. So back to what I was saying about the RV resort, the first place that we camped, it was really hard for us to get the trailer out from next to the house. And I was like, this is gonna not be fun whenever we wanna go ahead and camp all summer. So I asked if they needed any work campers, and they did. So that was great. So we work camp. I work about 12 to 18 hours a week, I think, 3 days, 3 shifts. And I'm able to leave the trailer here. We can camp whenever we want, come up whenever we want. It's only 12 miles from home, so depending on what my week looks like, I can stay here or come back and forth. Commuting's not ideal, but it's just nice to not have to deal with moving the trailer all summer until we get a bigger tow vehicle and a better spot to store it, maybe, or a better way to get it in and out of that spot. We did buy a little like trailer dolly, and it hasn't been ideal for that either. So this is what we're gonna do all summer. At the end of the summer, we'll figure out how to get it home, and we'll go from there. So I hope you enjoyed your little tour, and if you have any questions about anything about this trailer, let me know. I apologize that this is so shaky. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing great. I will leave the links below to some more Imagine floor plans. We got what we could, because keep your daydreams, like, start where you can, so we did. It's not the best floor plan, I don't think, because the bathroom's in the middle, but it's what we could tow with what we had. So we got started, and we're making memories, and it's gonna be a summer to remember. See you soon. Bye.